Hello everyone, welcome to Oliveboard. I hope all of you are well. Oliveboard has come up with the series called Word of the Day, and today is day 149 of the series. In this series, I give you a new word every day, its meaning and its usage in different sentences. Apart from that, I also give you the synonyms and antonyms of the given word. So, this series will be beneficial for you since it will help you enhance your vocabulary and it will also help you if these same words come up in the exams that you are preparing for. So let us look at today's word. Today's word is flail. The meaning of the word flail is to wave or swing wildly. I repeat, the meaning of the word is to wave or to swing wildly. Now let us look at a sentence and try to understand this word flail better with the help of that sentence. The sentence that is given to us says, his arms flailed as he sought to maintain his balance. Here, flailed is being used as a verb. Now let us look at the synonyms and antonyms of this given word. The synonyms can be to wave, swing, or move erratically. The antonyms, on the other hand, can be to stand still, static, or immobile. Now, guys, we'll use the language Hindi to understand this word flail better. जो सेंटेंस हमें दिया हुआ था हम उसे हिंदी में ट्रांसलेट करेंगे और इस वर्ड फ्लेल को बेटर अंडरस्टैंड करने की कोशिश करेंगे. The sentence that was given to us was, his arms flailed as he sought to maintain his balance. तो सेंटेंस ये कह रहा है अपना संतुलन बनाए रखने के लिए वह अपनी बाहें बेतरतीब ढंग से हिलाने लगा. यहाँ पर फ्लेल का मतलब है बेतरतीब ढंग से हिलाना. So guys, we have used both the languages, English as well as Hindi, to understand this word flail better. I hope you liked the session. Like the video, share it with your friends, and for more such content, stay tuned to Oliveboard. Thank you and have a nice day.